Today I'm gonna be unboxing some peel and stick easy installment tiles. I got these bad boys off of Amazon. It's a heavy package right here. I wanted to redecorate my floor. Alright, so far it's looking pretty cool. Ooh, these are heavy. It's for sure it's more than a pound, this thing. But here it is. Check it out. These are called the Nexus Tile Collection. Easy installation. Just peel and stick. I got these on sale for 10 bucks each. 9 something, 9.95 around there. So I got two, it was 19 something total. I'm not sure if there was tax, there might be for you. These feel heavy duty. Easy do-it-yourself installation. Self-adhesive vinyl floors. I like how they're packaged in a individual package with some marking on it. I thought they were gonna come just wrapped up in plastic. Let's cut it open. Get inside here. They're looking pretty cool already, I am not gonna lie. This is a pack of, how much? 20 or 24? 20. You get 20 tiles. You got instructions in the back, all kinds of stuff right here. Preparing the surface, how to prepare cement, wood. How many boxes do you need? 5-year limited warranty. How to maintain them, maintenance. How to cut the tiles, tile installation. These are size 12 by 12 inches. So I believe that's what, 1 square foot. I brought them out the package right here. They're pretty thick. They're thick, they're not thin. 20 of them. I got the black and white checkered ones for a deal off Amazon. I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can check them out for yourself, and you can also see other tiles right there. These are dope. I like them. Right here in the back, obviously this is the part you peel it right here. It's sticky. Then you just peel it, stick it onto the floor, and you got a whole new look for real cheap. Cool. So I got 2 packs. This is all I need for now. If I need more, I could always get some more. Oh, by the way, if you guys buy from my link, I get a little cut, so just to let you guys know, it's my affiliate link. They came quick. Like, I'm in Los Angeles, so they came like in 1 day. Literally, like I ordered them and they came the next day. I don't know how fast they're gonna get to you, but Amazon does a pretty darn good job of getting their stuff to us. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next round when we open something new, or who knows what I upload. Peace.